Hey guys, I figured I'd get on here and just do a makeup look. I don't know if I'm going to do glam, smoky eye. I'm not sure. Don't mind my hair because it's a little fuzzy today. My hair does not want to fix today whatsoever, so this is how we're going to do it. I'm just going to be using like different palettes and stuff like that, so if you want to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to either use one of these palettes or all three of them. These are like my favorite palettes. These are also the ones I use every day. So it's the Prestige palette, and these are the colors in it. So I can kind of do like a Valentine's Day look with this. And then this is the Sunset Kiss. I use this for a lot of my inner corner eyes. And then I have this Tarte Tease palette that I'm in love with. I also can do a Valentine's Day look with this. And then I lied. I'm also going to go with this palette that my friend I bought off of her not too long ago. In my last video, I done a look with this. Like I could do like a little smoky Valentine's Day look with that also. So I have 4 palettes. I don't know which one we'll use. I'm just going to go with it. Hair up. It looks like a mess. Okay. I'm using like different products. I'm not going to put on no foundation. I'm not going to put on no primer for my face because this foundation works better without a primer. So I'm just going to go with that. I want to kind of get a little bit closer so you all can see what I am doing. Everything's going to fall. Okay, everything just keeps falling. Oh my god. This is really irritating me. Okay. Sorry if I look a little rough. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. Like, my hair, I just don't know about it. I need to get it cut. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my brush that I always use. And I'm just going to use this as I don't know why all these colors are like mixed together, but anyways, I'm going to go in with this Prestige palette, and I'm going to go in with this, set my eyes. It is so cold, and I hate it. I hate cold weather. I wasn't going to film today. And I started watching some YouTube videos of people that I like. And I'm like, oh, I want a video. Oh my god, guys. I don't know which palettes I want to use. I think I want to use a little bit of all of them. I'm going to go in with this brown and this Tarte Tease palette. This one right here. I'm going to put this in my outer corner. I'm just going to really work that into my crease. Like, honestly, I feel like a little cow today. Like, this shirt is like, remind me of cow vibes. I got it off of my friend that I work with. I don't know where she got it at. I just noticed I don't know where my tape is that I usually use. I don't have a clue where it's at. Well, also, I cleaned all day, so that's one reason why I haven't filmed. I've been cleaning my room, and my husband had like a bunch of Xbox stuff that he's wanting to get rid of, so we ended up going through all that stuff because it was like the old 360 and he's got a 1, so we never saw any reason to keep them. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this Prestige palette again, and I'm gonna go in with this purple color right here. I'm gonna put this out in my outer corner just like I did that brown. But I'm not going to put so much smoky. I'm just going to put like right there, like pat it right in there. Pat it. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the smoky eye, I'm guessing. This is kind of like a Valentine's Day smoky eye. I just wasn't sure what I really wanted to film. I just wanted to get on here and film. And like whatever turned out to be it, that's how it was going to go. Like literally, like it is beyond crazy how time goes by so fast. I'm going to get me a shirt here. But it goes by so fast. It's like crazy. But, okay, I'm going to take this palette, and I'm going to go in with, let's see. I'm going to go in with this brown up here at the top. Again, I don't know what this is called. Ooh, I just dropped some makeup somewhere. Oh, God. Awesome. I'm just going to pat this to make it a little bit, like, more smoky, but not so dark at the edges, and just, like, fix the edges up. Okay. This is like all my brushes. Like, I got this thing for like $1. Or maybe, nope, I got it for 50 cents. It was $1, but I got it for 50 cents. And I thought it was cute for like right now because I ain't got a lot of brushes. I gotta find my mascara, where it's at. Like, I want to try some new mascara, like, for real. I'm gonna buy me some new mascara when income taxes come in. Why am I doing this? I'm not done with my eyes. I'm an idiot. Okay. So, I'm going between this palette and this one for my inner corner. And then I'm going to go in with this. This L'Oreal Paris. It's a Paris. It's in a fadable eyeshadow. Looks like that at the back of it. This is what it looks like. Oh my god. Okay. I just pat this on my brush, and I do not tap off the excess because I don't like, you know me, I don't like getting rid of a lot of the sparkles. I'm just going to work this in the middle, in my inner corner. You can add, like, you can just have the amount that you like. You don't have to add much as I do. But, like, I like to go out with a bang. I like a lot of shimmery. I just work this all the way to, like, the middle of my eyelid. And then, like, make sure they're even, because I don't want one eye looking off. Even though I probably do that half of the time. There's that. Okay, and I'm going to take another brush that I have not used. I'm going to take this one. I think my cousin Lexi, I think she got this out, Ipsy. And I just pat this in the middle. And just like kind of smoke that, like blend it in together because you don't want no harsh creases. Creases. Okay. So I'm using the CoverGirl, the Super Sizer mascara. I have not done my nails in so long that I need to do them. Because, like, it's getting old. Like, I have not done them since I had those, zebra printed nails, if y'all remember those. Like, I use this one kind of mascara that my cousin got out in her Ipsy bag at her wedding on her and me. I was like, girl, why don't you give this to me? Because she don't do makeup a lot. I'm like, girl, I will take it off of your hands. I promise. I'm using the LA Color Auto Eyeliner in black. Literally just got this like 2 days ago. Oh my god, it's got little shimmeries. Or maybe it was off my other eyeliner I had on. Who knows? Like, when I first get eyeliner, it, like, kills my lower eyelash, whatever line. Because, like, it's just, like, brand new, and you kind of, like, get it on your eyes, and it just hurts. Y'all getting a full-blown eyeball look. Like, I have no clue about the reason why. I have been having the craziest dreams. And I don't know why. Okay. There's my look. There's my eyes. I'm very happy with them. They're, like, really pretty. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I found my sponge finally, because you all know, if y'all watched my last video, I could not find my sponge to save my life. But it's the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is my favorite foundation. Have y'all used Born This Way foundation? Because if you haven't, you should buy it. Like, I didn't buy this foundation, but when I run out, I'm definitely gonna go buy it again. Like, I'm gonna go buy it. Getting that from Ipsy, the Amazon clay or something. I think it's that. And I tried it out, and later on in the video, if you watched the whole video, it showed where I had to take it off, because I was going out that day with my friend. I literally had to take the foundation off, and I ended up giving it to her because I could not wear it. It, like, I itched. Like, we went out and ate. Like, itched the whole time we was eating. And I was like, it was so embarrassing because, like, you know, you don't want to sit there and itch while you're eating. I mean, come on now. Who wants to do that? I was going to try to do a wear test all day on it, but it literally just did not work for me. Okay, I'm going to use this Airspring Loose Face Powder. They said on the back of it you can use it for, you can use it for foundation also, but I don't do that. I'm going to take this brush that I love dearly. It's mostly under my eye. And on my nose. I want to, like, push this away. Rub it in. I just love it. Okay. I'm going to use I put something on my face and then I use my sponge. I think I'll put this in a smaller container whenever I can find one. I'm going to use the Color Workshop bronzer, which I loved if you watched that video also. Now I'm going to go in for my lips. And I'm going to use this Color Workshop lipstick. Alright guys, I did kind of like a Valentine's Day look. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you all in my next one.